Modern 21st century home appliances demand more power than ever before, and this demand is only going to increase. Is your current home wiring ready to take on the challenge of this extra load? Meet Kabel's Firex LSOH EBXL. Built with 100% electrolytic copper, Firex LSOH EBXL wire can handle double the load. Its electron beam cross-linked insulation enhances durability, extending wire life beyond 60 years. True to its promise, double load, double life. Firex's LSOH insulation is completely free from 245 plus harmful chemicals, making it eco-friendly and safer for the environment. While regular wires melt and drip, propagating fire during fire hazards, Firex LSOH EBXL stands strong even in temperatures up to 900 degrees Celsius, making it the safest wire of all. Firex LSOH EBXL undergoes rigorous testing, holds extensive certifications and compliances like REACH, ROHS, CE, and CPR. New Central Electricity Authority regulations now mandate LSOH insulation for all public buildings and residential infrastructure. PVC wires with EBXL technology no longer comply because they use PVC insulation. Only LSOH insulation, which is used in Firex, meets these stringent safety requirements. These regulations reflect the industry's shift towards safer electrical infrastructure. Kabel's Firex LSOH EBXL is engineered for the power demands of today and tomorrow. It's double load, double life.